Hello and welcome to all in my educational channel Education and Motivation. In the previous video we had seen the information about noun the numbers, that is singular and plural numbers. Here is another important topic today we are going to focus on. It is nothing but articles. We will see the information in detail about articles in two parts. So today is the part 1. Okay, are you ready? Let us start. Look, articles is the characteristic of language, English language. Okay, just we have to focus on 3 words: a, an and the. A, an and the. These three words are called articles. Look, articles come before nouns. We had seen the information about nouns in detail in previous videos. What are nouns? So articles come before nouns only. Now look, a, an, these two are called indefinite article because it usually leaves the indefinite, the person or thing spoken of. Therefore it is called indefinite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. For example, a teacher, it means any teacher. Okay, so a and an are called as indefinite articles, and this one is called as definite article because it normally point out the particular or definite or certain thing or person. Okay, for example, if sentence is there, he saw the tiger, it means some particular tiger. Okay, but here a teacher means any teacher, but the tiger, he saw the tiger, it means that he saw the particular one, particular tiger. Okay, it is the difference between these two. Okay, now today we are just focusing on indefinite article. That means we will see in this video only how to use indefinite article, that is a and an. Okay, look, a and an, both these are used before singular countable nouns. We had seen in the previous video what is singular countable. Okay, singular, it means only one. Look here, a pen. When a is used, the meaning of that is one pen, a pen. And orange, just one orange. A table, it means it is singular nouns. And also countable, we can count 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these indefinite articles are used before singular countable nouns. Understand? Okay, now we will see how to use a and. Look, very simple, in a simple way we will see here. Look here, how to use a and, the first rule. Okay, before a word beginning with a consonant sound, a is used. A, where we are going to use a, before which noun we are going to use a? Before a word beginning with a consonant sound. It means it is related with sound. It means whenever we are pronouncing the word, specific word, if there is a consonant sound, at that time we are going to use a before that word. Now what is consonant? Look here, A to Z, we all know that there are 26 alphabets. Among them, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. Okay, and the rest of the alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, Okay, L, M, N, not O. P, Q, R, S, T, not U. V, W, X, Y and Z. These are 21 consonants. Understand? A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels, and rest of the 21 alphabets are called as consonants. Now, what we are going to do here? If there is a consonant sound while pronouncing any word, at that time we are going to use A before that word. For example, a novel. Look here, novel. N sound is there. It is a consonant, therefore we are going to use A before it. A pencil. Pencil. P consonant is here, therefore we are going to use A before it. A cup. Spelling starts from C, but the pronunciation came from K. K, it is a consonant. Okay, we are going to use A before it. Now, just interesting rule, just one. Look here now, the same rule. Here, this word is university. Spelling is starting from U. Okay, this word unity, spelling is starting from U. Uniform, spelling is starting from U. Just we had seen A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels. It is a vowel, but what about the sound? University, unity, uniform. Look here, focus on the sound. Sound is YU, university, unity, uniform. It means it is starting from Y, the pronunciation YU. Okay, combination of YU, U, university, unity, uniform. Therefore, we are not here, we are using here A before it. O university, O unity, O uniform. Okay, so before a word beginning with a consonant sound, A is used. What we have to focus on? If there is a consonant sound, okay, not focus on the spelling. Spelling is from U, but the sound U coming here. Therefore, we are going to use here A before these words. A university, A unity, A uniform. Understand? Okay. Now, let's move forward. Before a word beginning with a vowel sound, N is used. Okay. Look, opposite to that, if there is a vowel sound now, at that time we are going to use N. Very simple. For example, look here, an enemy, A, enemy, and I, and inkpad, we are going to use N. Look here also. Now, an hour, an honest man, an heir. Why? The spelling is starting from H, but we have to focus on the sound. Here we are not pronouncing this word hour. Okay, we are saying hour because H is silent here. Here also, honest, H is silent. Therefore, we are using here an before it. Okay, an hour, an honest man, an heir. H is silent here. Okay, so before a word beginning with a vowel sound, An is used. Okay, an enemy, an eye, an inkpad, an hour, an honest man, an heir. Okay, so A and an. In such case, we are going to use A and now an. Now, the third rule, important one. Look here. If an adjective noun pair is there, in such case, considering an adjective, we have to use proper article. Look here. Adjective noun pair is there, suppose. In such case, just we are considering an adjective while putting article. For example, look here, a city. Okay, we all know that a city, s sound is creating, therefore we are putting a before it, a city, no problem. But when there is a pair of advanced city, at that time when we have to put an article, we have to consider this word advanced. Now vowel sound is creating, therefore we are going to put before it an, not a. Okay, a city, but an advanced city. It means when there is a pair of adjective and noun, at that time we have to focus on adjective, not on the noun. Okay, we have to focus on adjective. Adjective is here advanced. Advanced, it means it is creating vowel sound, therefore we are putting before it an. Okay, second example, look here. An apple, generally we say an apple, vowel sound. But when apple comes with red, it means adjective noun pair is here. At that time we have to focus on red. So we will say a red apple. An apple generally, but a red apple. Okay, when this pair comes, at that time we have to put a before it. Understand? Just another example. Look here. Generally we say an ice cream, but when ice cream comes with adjective delicious, at that time we have to focus on delicious, D consonant sound, therefore we are going to put here before it a delicious ice cream. So a city, but an advanced city. An apple, but a red apple. An ice cream, but a delicious ice cream. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. In the next video we will focus on the definite article the. So please like it, share it, read and watch this video again and again, and please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all my videos on the proper time. Okay, that's all. Thank you.